What I can't buy, I can often build. If you know me at all, you won't be surprised to learn that when I got married, I wanted to add a little extra personality to my suit in the form of some dinosaur bone cufflinks. But, no. Well, it'd be more fun to make it myself anyway, right? This is ammolite. It's one of the most beautiful types of fossilization in the world. But although complete shells are mind-bogglingly expensive, small fragments can be affordable. Of course, with little chips like this, you have to work with whatever shape you can get, so after measuring the stone, I recreated it in Adobe Illustrator to find the most efficient use of my space. I settled on a hexagonal shape for the cufflinks, printed them to scale, glued the design over my fossil, and cut it out with a jeweler's saw. This is essentially the same process that I use whenever I make any bone, horn, or stone jewelry, since it takes out a lot of the guesswork and keeps me from wasting precious resources. Speaking of which, I always save my scraps. Who knows? Maybe my wife will want ammolite earrings someday. I cleaned up the edges with a jewelry file and some fine grit sandpaper. Ammolite forms in flaky shales, and I was a little worried that it might break apart along these layer lines, so next I decided to seal and stabilize the sides with some Mod Podge. The hexagons were a cool shape, but looked incomplete without some kind of border. I first tried using bezel wire, which was cool, but it just distracted from the small fossil too much, so I wrapped it with flat jewelry wire instead. Much better. The only problem was keeping this new border from falling off. Luckily, the wire was a little wider than the stone was thick, so after tightly clamping things together, I mixed up some 5-minute epoxy to fill in the extra space at the back and bond everything together. The epoxy was also perfect to attach the cufflink posts. 2 birds, 1 stone. After curing overnight, my special wedding cufflinks were finished. I wouldn't call this the work of a professional jeweler, but it's my work, and that makes me happy all on its own. They did survive a 4-hour wedding dance party too, and if my crazy dancing can't do them in, they're probably indestructible. Thanks for watching.